forget to like, share and subscribe. Slight background change guys because I'm in my parents' room. I'm about to pack actually, so all that work I'll do here only because they're not here right now. So I have this room to pack and I'm going abroad very soon. I'm going in next 3 days and I've not packed anything. So I was like, okay, I'll pack in sometime like that only days. And Saturday, Sunday also I didn't pack. And now it's officially Monday. I think it is 21st July and I'm going to start packing. So I thought I'll take you through what I pack, how I pack. How I pack is like not a very fancy guys. I don't do like organizers and all so much I don't do. I just dump everything. But I pack it in like slightly organized manner. So maybe I will walk you through what I'm packing. And also I'm gonna meet my niece and nephew, which itself says where I'm going. So maybe I'll just tell it. I'm going to Netherlands guys. I'm going on Friday and my flight is at I'm going on
you could do so you want
going on Thursday. My flight is at Friday 1 a.m. So Thursday night I'll start and that is where I'm going. I'm excited. I'm meeting my niece and nephew. I'm very excited to meet my niece and nephew actually, but especially my niece because when she was born last year, that time I went and now she's such a small bundle. She's literally like a package and I want to like meet her. I want to like just play with her. That is my agenda for this trip. That is what you'll be seeing in this video guys. There's a lot of things I have not done. I am so behind schedule, I cannot tell you. My work is going on, which I'm working up until Thursday. Probably Thursday I should have taken leave, but this time around I'm going for a very long time to Netherlands. I'm going for almost 20-25 days. Usually I don't go for so many days. Maximum leave I take is like 2 weeks. So probably 10 days out of work I'll take and go. But this time my leave also was too much, okay? My holidays got accumulated and to a point where I have to take leaves, 30 leaves or something I had to take. Only then, it will not lapse towards the end of the year. We have like set policies in our company, right? So you can carry forward only so many, for which balance already I have. So my manager also was like, please take your leaves. You have like a lot of balance and all. He was telling, he's such a sweet manager and a very kind human being in general. And that was such a big roller coaster because he's leaving and I did not expect it.
and I don't think for any of the managers I always told mention that I'm very sad that you're leaving or I've not been very like, oh my god, he's leaving or she's leaving, nothing like that. But for this manager specifically, I wrote like a long note. Once he told on the call, I was so shocked. Then I wrote like a long note and I told, I'm really so sad that you're leaving, but I know he's going for a certain purpose. He's like studying and like working or something like that. But he was a very nice manager, someone who's very knowledgeable and also very kind and a very good human being and also guiding you right. And at such situations, people might think like, okay, you don't want to work, that's why you're like very happy you had like a very kind manager. It's not like that. The way around, I feel like I was so productive. I was so like happy to work. I loved my job because I think somewhere like a manager plays a huge role also, like how you evolve and learn things in your company. So I was very, very sad that he's leaving and I told him also, I expressed to him. He again gave me like career advice, like this is how things will be, like you should adapt but never stop learning. And it was a very nice note that he had written. But then we're having a new manager and currently I'm going for a trip. So it's kind of like a little bit out of place this particular trip because my new manager will be coming and I will not be there. So the initial few discussions if the team is having, I'll not be there. So many things are happening guys. Then my work is there. I have not packed anything. I'm getting on stage. I have so many things to like buy, which I thought I will do initially and I could not buy. Most of it is covered, and since I'm going to my sister's place, it's kind of okay, it's kind of okay. If I don't have anything also we can figure out. And
okay guys, before I talk too much, I'll get my suitcase, okay?
One eternity later.
Okay guys, this is my suitcase guys. I have to remove the Thailand tag because the same suitcase I took for Thailand also. This is from American Tourister and yes guys, I'm doing this in my parents' room again because we'll be changing the sheets anyways. This is quite old, so anyways when they come we'll be changing. The only problem is the lighting is so dim here. Earlier I never used to film without a ring light. Now I'm like, it's okay, I can just film in natural light. This is not even like close to like natural light because there's a super dim bulb here. That's what we have. There are certain things from Thailand which is still there in this bag guys, and I kind of like saved for like Netherlands trip because after that I pretty much didn't go anywhere really far. Within Tamil Nadu we went to certain places. In Tamil Nadu only we went to like Kumbakonam and all temple trips we did. So I didn't take it. And when did I go? March, April, May, June. So it's only 3 months, right, since I went. So yeah. Yes guys, I'm starting to pack right now. Look at this. Hotel Pattaya ka tag is still here. So I'll take that out. Hotel Pattaya. So this is my no makeup face. I didn't have time to like, I'm literally at home, so I just did my skincare and Air India from where? I think from Chennai this was. So after that, I think from Chennai. But did I take this and travel? I don't remember. Oh yeah, before going to Thailand, I went from here, right, to Chennai. Then we went. So those tags are off. Also guys, quick homeware OOTD. This is my t-shirt and my shorts. This is what I'm wearing right now. I'm literally packing, so this is what I'm wearing. The t-shirt says vintage. It's a little old t-shirt only, and these shorts I had got it like last year. Comfy clothes at home. I have come back with a haul. There's few things that I thought I will show you. Yesterday I did a little bit of shopping, so I thought I'll show you that. This is the bill for that.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
A little bit of shopping. Not too many things, guys, seriously, but I just went to Trends and I picked few things. This trip I decided I'll not buy any clothes because I have so many clothes, guys, and recently when I was decluttering it was like so many clothes. So the first thing that I got from Trends is this simple black dress. It's my black dress every day. So this is that black dress. It is so cute. It has this waistband kind of situation, so it looks very nice when I wear it, and it has like a slightly balloon sleeves with this like tie-up situation, so it was looking very nice. I got this. This is kind of like knee length, and I really love this dress. So this is the first one that I had bought. All of this from Trends because that is the closest to my house. And then I got another dress because I was eyeing this dress for a very long time. First I picked like a very different color, same purplish shade but like a lighter tone. It was like a light purple shade, but this one was looking comparatively nice, and I like the slit towards the bottom. So this is the next dress that I got. I think mostly I'll be playing with my niece and nephew at home, but then still I got few dresses in case like I wanna like go out and like click pictures, walk and all. So it has like a slight slit here, and this color is nice. I think I got it in the size L or something. This was the only piece left actually, so that is one of the reasons I got. This is L, and yeah, that is also L. The black dress is also L size. And the next dress that I got, guys, which I was a little dicey about, but it looked very cute.
Okay.
I didn't even try it, and once I came home and tried, it was so pretty. Look at this dress, guys. It's like it fits up until here, and then there's a flare. That's so pretty actually. It's a very simple dress, so nearby if I have to go I can wear this and go. So I got this dress. So this is like very comfy PJ set. This material was very soft. They had two other designs which was very pretty. One of them was strawberries, and that material was good, but the size was like very big. Either they had XXL or they had M or something like that. So I was at home really comfy clothes, and this is the top for that. So cute, so pretty, guys. So this is the cord set that I got from Trends, and yes, there were few more stuff which is good. Trends is running an offer right now. I think there's like 30%, 50%, 70%. So maybe if you want to check, you can check. And I also got this PJ set from Thailand. If you have seen the haul video. And just now, guys, just some time back, I think like an hour back, I had ordered few things on Amazon this morning and it came already. 4 of them have come. Some of the items are coming tomorrow. I will quickly show you that as well. It's such a mess here already, guys. Packing is such a mess. I take a lot of time for packing, I'll tell you that. Even like the shorter trips, right, which is like 2 days or 3 days, my friends are like, what do you pack for so much time? I sleep around like 2 a.m, 2:30 a.m, and they were like, what do you even pack? I take a lot of time for packing, that much I'll tell you. I'm not like a very fast packing girl.
Oh my god!
But yeah, it's okay. I can't find my things that I got just now.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, the first thing that I got from Amazon is this cute clip set for my niece. It is so cute. Whenever I call or whenever my sister calls, first I see is like a tiny head with like a cute clip. I was like, I need to buy a clip for her and go. So this was a set that I got on Amazon, and it looks very kid friendly. It's not very sharp. So I think this should be okay. It has like different designs. I don't want to open it, but this is how it came. It has like different shapes and all, and different colors. I think she will like. My niece is like the cutest human being on earth.
Next item that I got from Amazon, guys, I was so excited to a point where I also want to buy this for myself. Got this panda light, and it is so cute. My god, if you have like kids at home or even for yourself if you want to buy, it is like a bedside light mostly. They gave this thing also. It's like a Christmassy tag for the panda. It's nice. Although I feel it's like coming out a bit. I think I can use this. Then there is this cute panda which is literally like ripped it like some time back because I didn't know how to use. Look at this, guys, and I will show you how cutely it works. So there's this button down, okay? You have to press that. So cute, and I'll tell you the best part. See this. It changes color. It is so nice. Although from here it looks a little scary, but then the panda light is so pretty. I'm getting one for my bedside also. It has like 7 colors. So you just have to tap and the color changes. What I was doing before is I did something here and the entire thing came out. Then I fixed it. Airplane is going. So you just have to tap and don't we look like twins? So this is the panda light, guys. I'm very sure my niece and nephew is going to like this. My nephew might like it, I feel. So this is light that I got for my niece and nephew.
And then for my sister and brother-in-law, I keep saying brother. For my sister and my bro, they both are such avid readers. They just keep reading all the time. Especially my sister, I've seen she loves reading. And now she has a Kindle also. But I've seen her reading like actual book also. So I got 2 of these books. Since they are also like fairly new parents, I thought these books might be helpful. Both of these were like best selling on Amazon. I wanted to give like a parent's guide kind of book, although they both are like amazing parents. And one book which is sort of like fiction. I don't know to say all this, guys. I don't read much. First book that I got, the title looked very controversial, okay? It said like the book you wish your parents had read and your children will be glad that you did. I don't know what title is this, but this was one of the best-selling parenting books on Amazon, and this was like a very good concept. Maybe I will also read it once I go there. I'm not very sure, but this is called The Midnight Library by Matt Haig, and it looked very interesting. It is a concept like you have made different choices in life, and you're in a position right now. But if given a chance, what all you would have changed, and it is something like if those choices were like actually implemented, how your life would look, something like that. I think that is what this book is about, and it looked very, very interesting. I can quickly show you a few more things. Let me just see. So yes guys, I got some cutesy clothes for my niece and nephew. After getting, I was not sure which is for my niece, which is for my nephew, because they are both so chotu. One is 1 year and my nephew is 3 years old. So I was like, I'm not sure which is for my niece and nephew, but then when I see the age on top, right, I can figure out. So I'm not going to open it, I'm just going to give it as such. I saw a few designs online and it looked very cute. So I had purchased this like a couple of days back actually, because I didn't want to make it late. Look at this guys, one of the best one for my niece. How cute is this print? It's all pink. So these are a couple of things that I'll pack, and then my clothes I'll pack. The good thing is I don't have anything much to take for myself and go apart from clothes and makeup and like shoes and bags and all that I'll keep. I think my dad will come to send me off. So if he's coming, then he'll get few things for my sister which I'll have to take and go. But yeah, apart from that, this is the packing situation which I have not started. All I've done is a haul. So maybe I will start packing. I think I'll keep few things. Like I said, I'm going home again, so it's not a problem. Yeah, let's just start packing. I'm removing all the tags guys, because it is so unnecessary to take it with the tags, unless and until it will be a problem if I have to like exchange it, which I'm not gonna do anyways. And I think these all fit perfectly, so I don't have to like exchange or anything. So I'm just gonna remove tags, because as someone who's traveled a bit, I know that every gram counts in your bag guys. Seriously, sometimes it's been like 23 kgs allowed, but it is like 23.4. So carefully you have to plan. You cannot take anything heavy or unnecessary. Even that clip and all that I showed you, I'll remove the box because that also adds weight. I'm very careful about like, you know, what I carry and how much weight I carry, because I know I've had that experience where then you have to like stand outside and remove all those things, and you know, make sure that weight is right. One tip I can give you is always carry an extra bag in case someone is coming to send you off. Then you can put it in that extra bag and go. So always carry an extra bag if you're traveling international. And in case they say like few kgs it is extra, then you can just dump it in that bag and give it to that person. So that's one thing we have started doing. I think last time also when my dad went from Chennai, me and my mom took an extra bag, because yeah, I think few kgs was extra there also. So we did take that. So this one I'm gonna keep with the cover because it's white. I don't want it to become dirty before I wear, so I'll just keep it like that. Sometimes Amazon delivers in such bad packaging. Can you see this all dirt? It is so... I'll have to like wipe it and then keep it. Okay guys, I'll pack and see you in a bit, okay? Hi guys, packing in progress. I got this skirt from Thailand, but I don't have like for this a brown tank top would look really good. I don't have a brown tank top, but dark brown tank top would look really good with this beige skirt. But again, I feel it's a little tight for me, or not. I'm not very sure. I mean, I can wear it, but then I have to go and purchase like a tank top for this. So let me see. Okay guys, quickly I'll show you what I have packed till now. This is the current situation of packing. I do not use organizers. Somehow I do not prefer organizers. I feel it occupies space unless and until it's for makeup and beauty products, only then I'll use. So I've kept my dresses here, my homeware I'm keeping it here, and other pants and like skirts that I want to wear I'm keeping it here. Some gifts I'm keeping on top of clothes because during baggage drop off they really don't handle the bags well. So although these are not like delicate items, but still I always keep it on top of clothes. And some of the clothes for my niece and nephew is here. So that's all I've packed for now guys. So that is the current status of packing right now. I have so much more to do and the space is already filling up. I thought I have a lot of space in my bag, but this is not the only bag that I'm taking. I'm also taking like a small hand baggage because 7 kgs is allowed. So usually I take this small suitcase for hand luggage wherever I go. Guys, this is the one I'll be taking and this easily fits like 7 to 10 kgs. It easily fits, so I'll be taking that bag. So in that also I can keep few things. So I have like a lot of space actually to pack. Just a few clothes for me, and once I start keeping my skincare and my like makeup and all, it adds on to that weight because it's a little like slightly accumulates and becomes a little heavy, right? So yes guys, that is the status of packing right now, and as and when I keep something or when I get something, I will show you guys. I'm going to get back to work because 45 minutes I've been doing only this. So I'll catch you in a bit guys. Bye guys.
Hi guys, what's up? It's been a very long time. It's currently 7:30 p.m. I'm applying lip balm because I look so drained. I was constantly doing work till now and there was so much like personal work in between that had come. Did I apply properly? Yes. So I was doing that and oh god, like seriously guys, it is raining non-stop. It was raining non-stop, now it is still better. I think around like 4 hours it was like constantly raining. That plus like work and small personal work in between had come and people on top. This is going to be a separate video. I never thought about this, but
and my neighbors, not like the opposite house people, but the ones on top of my house are so noisy. That's like a full story time. I have thought like I'll make a story time on that because I don't care what they think at this point of time. Sometime in the future if they see my videos, I don't know. I don't know guys, but yeah, they are so noisy. My god, like that auntie itself is so noisy. Like the way she does work and everything, she will like move the house again. Some work has come. She will like move the house 360 and do all the work. Like I never had this problem. They have come like I think 1 or 2 years back only. I'll do like a story time someday because a lot had happened in the past actually. So at this point I don't care what they think. I'm gonna make a story time and my work is almost over. I want to go to the store. Usually I'm not a person who will go to the store and buy things and all, but I'm just thinking I'll go and see if I want something, and if at all I like something I can buy from there. And I don't want to because tomorrow is my parlor day. I will either go for haircut, which I'm not sure, but I like the length and I also want to grow my hair because it's been a very long time since I like grew my hair. My hair grows really long guys, so I'm just thinking, of course like there's hair fall and all that, but then I just want to see how much I can grow, how much I can maintain, how it will look. There's a mirror right in front of me which I keep seeing, so that's what I'm seeing guys. So that's the plan. I want to go to the store. There are a couple of things I have to buy. My help told something to buy and I cannot remember. I kept thinking and I cannot remember what she asked me to buy. I don't know what she asked guys. Morning she told me something, get this. Sometimes if I don't remember, I'll ask her to get only and then I'll pay for it, but then I don't remember what she told, so probably I'll go to the store and one of them I remember, so I'll get that, like basic like house things. Also guys, I think this video is going to be really long, so I think for packing itself we'll have a part 2, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna end this video here and probably the next part of packing I'll show in a separate video. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you really like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe and leave your comments below, and also don't forget to press the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And please do not forget to follow me on Instagram guys at @indukrish_. I'll see you again in another video, which is again a packing video guys. Bye guys.